In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Authorize.net with Jotform. This is useful when you want to accept payments directly through your forms. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, select form, then choose start from scratch and classic form. Once you're in the form builder, click add element on the left side. Open the payment section and search for authorize.net. Then click the integration to add it to your form. In the Authorize.net settings panel, click the yellow connection button. Enter your API login ID, transaction key, and client key from your Authorize.net account. Once you've entered your credentials, click Connect with Authorize.net and wait for the connection to be verified. After the connection is established, click Save to store your payment settings. Next, select your preferred currency from the currency drop-down menu. To add a product, click Product List, then select plus Add Product. Enter your product name, price, and description. You can also click Choose Images and upload a product image. That's how to integrate Authorize.net with Jotform. Thanks for watching.